Right, thank you so much for joining us live here on Sly Media. I'm at the corner of Rotten Row and Jason Moyo, opposite the Shek building. I have a policeman here who is doing a wonderful job and he likes his job. I just want to show you the demonstration of how good this gentleman is. I will show you the art that he's using to move traffic and control traffic here. Yes, I want to show you now. Here we are. There you are. Watch this policeman as we are live here on Sly Media TV. I want to show you how artistic this policeman is. He deserves a pam for us. Look at that. Look at the way he uses his arm, the body and everything else to control traffic. Look at that. 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 This is beautiful. I wonder whether this is training from the Traffic Cops Department or it is just his own initiative. This is Zimbabwe. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Look at that. I like this demonstration. There you are. The intersection is empty. It's now continuing to control the traffic and inviting traffic from other direction. Look at that. Look at that. You're live on Sly Media at the corner of Rotten Row and Jason Moyo. This is beautiful. I like this. There he is. There he is. There he is. Look at that. Look at that. This is something to admire, honestly. Look at that. Look at that. Instructions. Another car is broken down in front of him in the middle of the intersection. Let's see how he's going to manage that. Right. He tells the other traffic guy to stop and give way to this car. What does he do? He pushes the car out of the intersection to avoid congestion. What else would you want? This is beautiful. And with the respect from other traffickers, they are not moving until the instructions are given by this policeman who is a traffic cop here at this robot, at this traffic light. He continues with his business. This is beautiful. Yes. I wonder how long he continues to do this. It's not the first time I've seen him. It's my third time seeing him at this traffic light. Right, there you are. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Yes. Look at him. Oh yes. 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 Yes. Look at him. Look at him. Oh yes. Oh yes, look at that, how he stops traffic. Yes, that's beautiful. Right. Yes. Right. Right. Oh yes, this is beautiful. I think and I propose that this kind of way of doing things should be a standard with all the police officers who man the traffic lights when there are no lights that are functioning. Look at that. 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 And some people blow horns to yes, to acknowledge the good work that the policeman is doing here. Right. There you are. There you are. There you are. Yes. Tiri pa Slime Media TV, tiri kuona mkuru webasa, arikuita basa panapa. Achiradza kuti ari kufarira basa rake raari kuita. Tarisai muone zviri kuitika. Tarisai muone. Tarisai muone. Tarisai muone. Tarisai muone. Tarisai muone. Aiwa ngavuwe. Ngavuwe, ngavuwe. Ngavuwe maruva ake achiri kurarama. Yes. Isusu tichamusiyirawo mask yeSlime Media. Nekugona basa kwaari kuitawo ikoko handitika kuti vati vakuru vagozvionawo kuti aiwa mukuru ari kugona basa. Right. 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 Thank you. Muchita basa renyu munonzi ani mukuru wangu? Tembo. Constable Tembo. Ko rimwe rekutanga rinonzi chi? Brian. Thank you so much. Tinotenda nebasa ramuri kuita mukoma Tembo. Isiro kuSlime Media tichakusiyirawo mask yekutenda basa ramuri kuita rakanaka. Thank you so much. There you are. Itai munondinzenga. Ndokunzenga yo. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Right. Look at the art that Tembo is using to control traffic here at the corner of Jason Moyo and Rotten Row. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Thank you, Baba Tembo. Right. Look at that. This is wonderful. This is beautiful. Thank you so much for joining us live here on Slime Media. Tazviona tiri ari kuita basa ari kuitwa naTembo pano pakona paRotten Row pamwe chete naJason Moyo. Thank you so much. Here we are.